Prices are going up. They have been going up for longer than most people want to admit. And every credible signal coming out of the food supply chain right now is pointing toward further increases in the months ahead, driven by tariffs, labor costs, fuel prices, and agricultural disruptions that are not going away quietly or quickly. So here is the single smartest financial move you can make right now. Fill your pantry with foods that never expire before the next round of price hikes lands. These are not perishables you will rotate through in 6 months. These are not impulse purchases that sit in a drawer until they go stale. These are items you buy once, store correctly, and draw on for years. Items that will cost you meaningfully more to purchase in May than they do today, and more still by the end of the year. Here are 20 of them. Every single one belongs on your shelf. 1. White rice, sealed in Mylar. Sealed in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers. White rice prices track closely with global commodity markets and weather events in major producing regions. Every disruption pushes the price up and keeps it there. Buying now at today's prices and sealing it for storage is one of the most financially rational decisions you can make for your household budget over the next decade. Honey. Honey carries no expiration date under any normal storage conditions. The science is settled and has been for a long time. Its low moisture content and natural acidity make bacterial and mold growth physically impossible. Stock it now at current prices. A sealed jar of honey purchased today will be just as good and considerably more expensive to replace 5 years from now. Salt has an indefinite shelf life and always has. It was the primary food preservation technology for most of human history, and it was effective precisely because it cannot decay. Buy iodized salt in large containers and stack them. At current prices, salt is one of the cheapest items per pound in the entire store. Large format containers of iodized salt belong in every serious pantry in serious quantities. 4. White sugar. Granulated white sugar stored in a sealed, airtight container away from moisture is indefinitely shelf-stable. It does not support microbial growth. It does not chemically degrade into anything harmful. Sugar prices are tightly connected to global supply chains. Sugarcane harvests, shipping costs, and import tariffs all influence what you pay at the register. It is basic financial intelligence applied to your grocery budget. 5. Baking soda. Baking soda does not expire. Full stop. It functions as a leavening agent, a cleaning product, a deodorizer, a mild abrasive, and a basic personal hygiene product when other options are unavailable. The cost per box is minimal. Buy cases of it. Store them in a cool, dry location. This is one of those items that preppers consistently understock and consistently wish they had more of when they actually need it. 6. Baking powder. Baking powder is technically shelf-stable indefinitely when kept properly sealed, though its leavening potency may decrease gradually after 2 to 3 years as the active components slowly react with ambient moisture. The product will not become unsafe. It simply becomes less effective as a rising agent. Test older baking powder before relying on it in a baking recipe by dropping a small amount into hot water. If it bubbles vigorously, it is still active. Stock it in sealed containers and rotate it with moderate priority. 7. Distilled white vinegar. Distilled white vinegar has an indefinite shelf life due to its pH level being low enough to prevent any bacterial growth. It functions simultaneously as a food preservative for pickling, a household cleaner and disinfectant, a fabric softener replacement, a descaling agent for equipment, and a flavoring ingredient. The gallon jugs available at most grocery stores represent extraordinary value per dollar for the number of rolls this single product fills. There is no version of a serious preparedness pantry that does not include multiple gallons of distilled white vinegar. 8. Hard alcohol. Unopened. Unopened distilled spirits at 40% ABV or higher do not expire under any storage conditions. Whiskey, vodka, rum, gin, and tequila are completely shelf-stable indefinitely. Beyond their primary use, hard liquor functions as a wound disinfectant, a barter commodity of universally recognized value, and a morale resource in extended crisis scenarios. 9. Pure vanilla extract. Alcohol-based pure vanilla extract does not expire and actually improves in flavor complexity with age as the vanilla compounds continue to develop and mellow in the alcohol base. The label says 4 years. Professional bakers keep bottles for decades. Purchase pure vanilla extract, not imitation, which contains different compounds and does behave differently over time. Cornstarch. Pure cornstarch sealed in an airtight container away from humidity is indefinitely shelf-stable. It will not become unsafe. Stock it now. It costs almost nothing today and will cost more tomorrow. 11. Dried pasta. Sealed in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, dried pasta lasts 25 or more years without meaningful quality loss. It reliably lasts 5 to 8 years well beyond the printed date. Stock it in variety, multiple shapes, multiple sizes, to maximize meal flexibility from your long-term pantry. 12. Powdered whole milk. Sealed properly in Mylar bags with oxygen absorbers, powdered whole milk lasts 20 to 25 years. Prices for powdered dairy products are rising alongside broader dairy market pressures. Buy before the next wave of increases. 13. Dried beans. Dried beans are indefinitely safe to consume and last approximately 25 years at optimal quality when sealed in Mylar with oxygen absorbers. Stock heavily, seal properly, and treat this as a foundation item rather than a supplementary purchase. 14. Pure maple syrup, unopened. Unopened pure maple syrup stored in a cool, dark location is shelf-stable indefinitely. Its high sugar concentration prevents microbial growth by the same mechanism that preserves honey. An unopened bottle purchased today will not diminish in quality and will almost certainly cost more to replace in future purchasing cycles. 15. Instant coffee, freeze-dried. Freeze-dried instant coffee stored in sealed, airtight containers is shelf-stable indefinitely under normal conditions. In a prolonged crisis, coffee is not a luxury. Stock instant coffee in meaningful quantities and seal it well. 16. Soy sauce, unopened. Unopened soy sauce lasts indefinitely due to its high sodium content and fermentation-based acidity, creating an environment completely hostile to microbial growth. Flavor management in extended emergency cooking is not a trivial concern. It directly affects whether family members eat consistently and willingly. 17. Worcestershire sauce, unopened. Like soy sauce, Worcestershire sauce derives its indefinite shelf stability from fermentation-based acidity and salt content. It adds depth, umami, and complexity to otherwise flat survival cooking in ways that make a meaningful difference to daily morale and eating consistency. Stock both. They serve overlapping but distinct flavor roles and cost almost nothing per bottle relative to the value they deliver. 18. Coconut oil, refined. Refined coconut oil stored in a cool, dark location lasts 3 or more years easily and often significantly longer. It is a high-heat cooking fat, a calorie-dense energy source, a natural antimicrobial skin treatment. As demand from the preparedness community continues to grow and supply chain costs continue to rise, that value will not hold indefinitely. 19. Clarified butter. Commercially produced ghee in properly sealed tins lasts 1 to 2 years at room temperature, indefinitely when refrigerated, and significantly longer in Mylar sealed storage. Unlike regular butter, the milk solids and water have been removed, which are the components responsible for spoilage. Ghee provides rich flavor, high-heat cooking stability, and caloric density that transforms long-term storage meals in ways that few other fats can match. It is one of the most underrated items in serious preparedness pantry planning. 20. Freeze-dried fruits and vegetables. Commercially sealed freeze-dried fruits and vegetables carry a 25-year shelf life and retain up to 97% of their nutritional profile. They are your primary defense against the vitamin and mineral deficiencies that develop rapidly on grain and legume-heavy emergency diets. Demand among the preparedness community has been driving prices upward steadily, and that trend is continuing. Buying before the curve, not after it, is the only financially rational approach. The window before May price increases is narrow and closing. Every item on this list costs more tomorrow than it does today, and more in 6 months than it does tomorrow. Spend strategically. Buy shelf-stable foods that reward patience and punish delay. Build a pantry that works for your family's finances over the long term, not just the next grocery cycle. Act accordingly.